Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and today's video is all about winters. I know winter सबका ही favorite weather है in a way. So if you are someone who is planning like a vacation to a winter destination anytime soon, or if you are someone who already lives at like a cold destination, then this video is for you. So keep watching and save this video for later because it will come in handy when you're packing for your trip or something like that. First up, we have a pair of good denims. Now it's extremely essential because you can hardly ever go wrong with a pair of good denims. It can be styled with anything and everything and you don't really have to put your brains into it. So I have this particular denim from H&M. It's a straight fit denim. It's a nice blue color and it goes with almost everything that I own, so that's why it's an essential in my winter wardrobe. So you have to choose a denim that fits your body type perfectly. It could be skinny jeans, it could be boot cut denims, or straight fit jeans, wide legged jeans, slim fit, anything and everything, but it has to fit you nicely, and that's your first winter essential as per me. Next one is a good puffer jacket. It is extremely important to carry a puffer jacket, especially if you are going to a destination which has like windy weather conditions, and it's like suitable for almost all weather conditions. So I would highly recommend to invest in a good puffer jacket. I have this one from Decathlon, but brands like Uniqlo are doing some really great puffer jackets, and if you want something a little fancier, then you can go to Myntra. A lot of different brands are selling it. You can choose according to what suits you because it comes in all sorts of colors, patterns, fits, lengths, all of that. It is really a must have, especially with places that have like really low temperatures or even snowy destinations. So you should definitely invest in a good quality puffer jacket. Next up, we have full sleeve turtleneck tops. Now it's great for when you want to look stylish and a little fashionable. Plus it's great for like layering under all of your jackets. It goes with almost like everything, like jeans, skirts and stuff like that. So you don't really have to put a lot of thought into what to wear with what. Plus bonus tip, you should invest in neutral colors like these. So I have one in white, one in grey and one in black as well. So you don't really have to worry about what goes with what, and you don't have to put effort into styling these because these colors almost go with everything. Next item is a very recent addition to my winter essentials. It's these fleece leggings. So basically these are like black leggings. They look like stockings when you wear them, and they have fleece inside, like it's lined with fleece, so it's like really warm. And you know what, like I have a lot of summer clothes because I live in Mumbai, but I like to reuse all of those clothes even when I'm at a colder destination, so that's when it comes in handy. So these leggings are really warm and keeps me comfortable even with like low temperature and short clothes, and it's a great way to kind of reuse all my summer clothes during winter. So I highly recommend this particular product because it's been a game changer, and if you are someone who wants to look stylish and still feel warm and comfortable in cold temperatures, this one is for you. Next item again is very important for layering. It's a pair of good quality thermal set. By thermal set, I mean a top and a bottom. It usually comes in a set, and you get it in brands like Decathlon, Uniqlo and maybe a couple of other brands that I'll put somewhere here on the screen or in the description box so you can check it out. Thermals are really important because it keeps your body warm, and it's usually made of a very thin material, so it acts like a good base layer, and you can easily layer a sweater or a jacket on top of it and feel all warm and comfortable. This way you don't have to layer thick sweaters on top of one another. It's just very uncomfortable. So yes, thermals are important. Some brands like Decathlon, Uniqlo, Jockey are best in the business, so you can definitely check them out. Next, we have a pair of black boots. Now black boots are really essential for winters because they keep your feet warm, and it looks great with almost every winter outfit. It instantly elevates your look, especially if you're wearing skirts or denims. So yeah, a pair of black boots is my winter essential for sure. Next item is a pair of white sneakers. Now it's a no-brainer that sneakers are the most comfortable option when it comes to footwear. Plus white sneakers, because they go with everything. They are a versatile piece of footwear that looks great with denims, shorts, dresses, all of it, and you don't really have to like carry 3-4 pair of shoes, especially if you are traveling. So one white sneakers which are comfortable is good enough. Next up, we have beanie caps. Now a couple of beanie caps is what you need because I'm the kind of person who has like very low tolerance when it comes to cold temperatures, and I get like really cold. So I got a couple of these cute beanies because they look pretty cute and it keeps my head and my ears warm. So if you are someone like me, then you should definitely call for a couple of these because they are very, very cute. Next up, we have a shawl or a scarf. It's actually a very great way to bring that extra style element into your outfit. There are a million ways to wear a scarf, so you can definitely watch a couple of tutorials and use them for styling. It definitely adds an extra layer to your outfit, keeps you more warm and adds a pop of color if you have a scarf which is really bright color, and I would recommend that because बाकी सब कुछ बहुत neutral है, so a pop of color is always nice. Last but not the least, an overcoat. An overcoat is extremely important because you can style all your good outfits in a better way using an overcoat because it looks super chic and smart. Plus, it looks like you have put in effort without actually putting in much effort. It's basically effortless. So that's why an overcoat is a must according to me. If you want some good options, that you can check out Zara. They have some great options for overcoats. So if you're going on a holiday, then definitely invest in an overcoat because why not? And with that, this video comes to an end. I really hope that this video gave you clarity on all the winter essentials and you picked up a couple of new things from this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.